One of my favorite quotes is by Lao Tzu, and he says, "If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. And if you are at peace, you are living in the present." Every morning, I try to journal and list out things that I'm grateful for. Made it to, oh, that is bright, to our hotel room. Show you, focus, the view. And then this is my room. I'm about to get ready for dinner, so should really get ready now. I just got done getting ready. I just had dinner with two of my best friends, and it's crazy how it feels like time didn't even pass. We haven't seen each other in 2 to 3 years, and I'm just really grateful. And I just wanted to remind you guys of really don't take that friendship for granted, and you only need one friend. Yeah, quick little reminder. But I will see you guys in the morning. I am about to go to bed. So it is day 2 here in Chicago, and I'm super excited because I'm about to go to my grandma to celebrate her birthday. We're celebrating it at Mora, which is the restaurant here in Chicago. So if you guys are ever here, check it out. It's pretty nice. I just got ready real quick, so now I'm about to head over there, and she's really excited. She loves big gatherings, and it's also my brother's birthday and my grandpa's birthday, so it's a very eventful day. I hope you guys enjoy. Day 3 here in Chicago, and I'm super excited because I get to see my other friends as well. I'm gonna take you guys to go to brunch with me. And that concludes my trip to Chicago. And I know that most of you guys don't know this, but this trip is very important to me. I haven't been here in 3 years to see the family and my friends. Back then I just wanted to leave and I wanted to go travel, and really the moral of this video, I want you guys to be inspired to meet up with old friends and really connect with them, and just seeing your family in general. I know that we are getting to be adults and we have our own responsibilities, but in the end of the day, family does matter. Overall, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week until the next video.